Hello traders and welcome to the forexbot.com Trading Academy. Victor with you here once again, and we will be looking at the pound versus Swiss franc potential idea. Before we start, I would like to remind you that information in this video is just for educational purpose and should not be considered as a financial advice. So jumping back to previous ideas, we had three ideas currently open: Australian, Japanese yen, Euro, GBP and gold. The oldest, Australian, Japanese yen. The original entry was there, actually with the safe entry on the break and close up below this level. So we had this break and close. So what could actually happen on the Australian Japanese yen is retracement back to this resistance or potential this red line. So this is the resistance area 75.50, where price might retrace before it will actually experience a very strong wave to the downside. But if you want to stay on the safe side, the stop loss could be also moved at the break, even if you entered at this stop as we projected. Hard stop loss remains at this level. So fixing some profit, guys, always a good idea, especially when you're in profit. And moving stop loss to the break even also most of the time is a good idea. So let's see how it goes. Now, Euro GBP. Yesterday I was talking about potential break below this low, that it most likely will occur, and then closing needs to be higher than this level. And I was talking about the ideal entry price if price goes below and then closes actually above. And this would have been the entry, which is almost in line to the original entry we had at 0.8909. So just perfect. This trade remains valid. We're still expecting the rally to the upside, especially considering this price action. Gold. On the gold, the price has started to move up. I don't think there will be actually much of a pullback, although it's possible, guys, that gold still will go down and attempt to break below this low. So if you haven't entered, obviously it is better to wait for the perfect scenario where the price goes slightly below this level and only then take the opportunity. It's basically the same as the Euro GBP, which might provide actually even the same entry price. So for now, we're in profit on the gold and looking towards our target, looking good. And today's idea is a pound versus Swiss franc. I think it's getting very weak. And we all know that Euro GBP is highly correlated to pound Swiss franc. So they're moving in the opposite direction. So once we expect Euro pound to go up, the pound Swiss franc should be expected to go down. So what I like about this price action, we can see that there was a very clean bounce after breaking below the 50 exponential moving average. There was a break below, then clean bounce, and then price went sharply down. At the same time, this was the resistance area, support area. All of them got broken on this heavy move to the downside. Besides, we broke this resistance where the moving average was rejected as well. So this now is a very strong resistance area for the pound GBP. Although I think the entry price could be at this stage, which is just good because we are meeting the 2-to-1 risk reward. So anywhere from this point till 21.25 would be ideal entry price for shorting pound CHF. Now, in regards to the take profit and stop loss, the stop loss has to be just above this rejection of the moving average, because it seems like the key level to watch, and it's just perfect with our risk reward because our target is at 88.6 pips at 1.1862, 63ish. And yeah, we have good risk reward with this trade, which is perfect. So entry is already valid here, although there might be this sort of pullback. It might be towards one of the Fibonacci's. So basically the highest point based on Fibonacci is 51.52, and we have stop loss obviously above. So yeah, the higher it gets, the better the risk reward will be. Now let's move to the daily chart to see about this downside target. On the daily, I have applied another Fibs to this wave to the upside, and we can see that 88.6 corresponds as well to 88.6 from the 1 hour chart. Both of them are at 1.1863, making this ideal target. Now also we have lower lows printed, lower highs, price remains below both moving averages here, suggesting that the validity of the downtrend. Although we're not looking for these huge moves, we're looking for just one wave potentially, and this wave could be towards this support. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, ask questions. We are all here to help and study. So take care and talk to you very, very soon.